We're on the road a little early this morning. It's a little cold, but we were about 45 miles short of where we wanted to last night, so we holed up in Bodega Bay, and now we're on our way south. We're going to take the PCH, go over the Golden Gate Bridge again, and then head on down towards Santa Cruz and stay in Morgan Hill where we know some people. Take a picture because we're here.
Facial hair is, stopping the wind.
Yeah. Okay. Beach. Up next, the Golden Gate Bridge. This whole area here has been burned from earlier in the year. On both sides of the road, up and down, all the trees and shrubs are all black. Pretty crazy. There you go.
That's pretty cool.
Nope.
That's not gonna happen.
Now we're heading back across the Golden Gate Bridge and heading over to the West Coast World War II Memorial. Our grandpa flew B-17 bombers in the European theater, but we figured we better stop while we're here.
Take up 3 spaces.
Technically, you can fit 4 motorcycles in 1 car space.
Technically,
something.
Yeah.
Maybe it says we're still in the lost in the Pacific. I wonder if any women were lost. They
I
weren't
don't
on
know.
ships back then.
Probably not.
No.
Not unless like a they were on a ship that was sunk like on its way to Hawaii or
Yeah.
maybe to Midway, but I don't know that they
I mean, a transport ship, perhaps?
They had to take nurses and stuff over
nurses,
Yeah,
yeah.
support medical ship.
there. They don't.
Not soldiers. It's terrible. The Marines, the Navy, and
No, let's see here. Bill.
What do we want? A burger, or do we want to try a seafood place, or what? Do we care?
I don't care.
The whole back side of this one was on fire.
Okay, Art's asking me if he wants him to fire it up.
The hot tub?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know what it takes.
I will take a shower first. So
Please.
as not to create ass soup.